Good morning, guys. I am going to go over, I've had a couple of you message me on Canvas, so I'm going to go over kind of our rules and our steps just to give you a refresher, and that way you can do the worksheet. Now, remember, you're just doing the left side, 1 through 10. We numbered them in class yesterday, so I don't expect you to get this whole sheet done today. Actually, I don't want you to do the whole sheet. So, before we get started, let's list out our rules. Rule 1 was count the number. Oops. Miss Norris hasn't finished her coffee today. The number of digits behind the decimal. Oh. So if we look at this first problem, okay, we'll set it up down here, 13 2/10 times 14. So how many numbers are behind the decimal here? 1. How many are behind the decimal here? None. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. So that means we're going to move our decimal over at the end one time to the left. So step 2, multiply like normal. Pretend there is no decimal. Okay, so let's multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Drop my 2, carry my 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. I'm done with my 4. I got to cross it out. Drop my placeholder 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. Then we add 8, 4, 8, 1. Am I done? No, because step 3, remember, is put your decimal in the answer. So how many times do we need to move it over? 1, because there's only one number behind the decimal here. So if there is no decimal, it's at the back. We bring it over one time. So my answer is 184 8/10. Okay. We'll do one more problem just so you guys can see it. But I know some of you yesterday, on Monday, y'all were adding a bunch of zeros. You don't add zeros. You set it up just like you would a normal multiplication problem. Count the numbers behind your decimals and then go from there. Okay, so let's do number 2. So we have 87 3/4 times 5. Okay, so 5 times 4 is 20. Carry your 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. Oh, I didn't mean to put that decimal. Sorry, guys. Carry my 1. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 1 is 36. Carry my 3. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 3 is 43. Okay, there's 2 numbers behind the decimal. So if I don't have a decimal, it's at the back. So I bring it over twice. 1, 2. So my answer is 436 70/100, but it's also the same as 436 and just 7/10 because that 0 just isn't there. So let me know if you guys have any more questions, but there is 1 and 2. I'll be here all day, so please don't hesitate to reach out. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow. All right, bye, guys.